The Filipino adverb or pang-abay halos hindi means hardly ever in English. Halos hindi. Halos hindi. Let us have the following example sentences. Halos hindi na nagtatagal ang kuryente. It means the electricity hardly ever lasts. Halos hindi, hardly ever. Tagal means to last. And then, ang kuryente is the electricity. So, halos hindi na nagtatagal ang kuryente. Halos hindi ka na pumupunta sa bahay namin. It means you hardly ever come to our house anymore. Halos hindi, hardly ever. Punta means like go or visit or to go punta. And then bahay is house and then namin is our. So halos hindi ka na pumupunta sa bahay namin. Halos hindi ko iniiwan ang aking alagang hayop. It means I hardly ever leave my pet. Halos hindi, it means hardly ever. Iwan is like leave. Akin is my. Alaga is like a pet. And then hayop is an animal. So halos hindi ko iniiwan ang aking alagang hayop. Halos hindi na sila nagpaparamdam sa isa't isa. It means they hardly ever communicate with each other anymore. Halos hindi, hardly ever. Nagpaparamdam is like communication maybe, or something that like you feel, or maybe update in a way, or message or chat, communicate sa isa't isa is with each other. Halos hindi na sila nagpaparamdam sa isa't isa. Once again, when we say halos hindi, it means hardly ever in English. Halos hindi. Halos hindi.